Okay, so to finish up our lesson over how authors use like precise words to make me feel happy or sad or whatever it might be. Yesterday we said the words that we read in Rescue and Jessica let me know that she was afraid and that she was worried about things. But today when I read it and I read the words, it said, "You changed my life, Rescue. I couldn't have done this without you." What is the mood of that story right there during that time? I think the mood is feeling happy and maybe even a little bit thankful that she had someone there to change her life. She had someone there to make her happy again when she was feeling afraid and she was feeling worried. So this was just a quick video to finish up mood, and tomorrow we will be starting a new topic.